best features that I believe are the best on this phone, which is the always on display feature, the photoshopping ability, how you can be able to do stickers, and Google AI. So let's get into it. So the always on display feature is really convenient. So it's more of like the now bar. So you can get like a lot of things for the now bar, but for me, I'm someone that likes sports, so I can get all my sports added here that I like to follow, and that's something that I found to be very convenient. It'll like pop up here in the top left. I'll show an example where you can see like the current game and then like the status of the game. But how you enable it is you go in your settings, just type this AOD, and then you go to the lock screen, AOD, then here it's in the now bar. So you'll have to toggle this, which is for sports. Oh, excellent, untoggled maps, but yeah. And then you go here, so you click sports from Google, and then you go to the settings, and then this is where this shows what I'm currently following, and then this is where you can pick like what you want to follow. So like what NFL, like is it football, college football, basketball, baseball, soccer, cricket, hockey. Anyways, yeah, so I find this feature very convenient. Next is Photoshop. So for me, like what I found to be very helpful, that I noticed that I use this feature a lot, is the photoshopping ability. You're just able to like edit photos super easily, and I'll just show like an example of like just deleting like the background of like, you know, people in the background, and then you're able to just quickly do it without it looking like photoshopped. So it's like you could just make it look like no one is in your background. And I want to say like the improvement, because I had the S22 Plus and then moving to the Ultra, I found the photoshopping like ability to be like way better. So they definitely have improved. Then checking out stickers. So just wanted to show this little character here. It's actually this guy right here. So and then I'll go into it. And so yeah, so this character, it's from Miniso, and you could literally just turn anything into a sticker, and I just think that is really cool. And I think that's like a fun feature that I enjoy, that they added, is that you can literally just grab anything, turn into a sticker, and then you can send it to, you know, your friends or family. So honestly, it's just a small thing, but I think it's cool that you're able to just grab anything, turn it into a sticker, you can save it. So then, I don't know, it could just be fun because you could take something and then you can save it as like someone's contact like photo. So yeah, you could be like really creative with it, and so that's what I like about it. Next is Google. So what I mean by this is like kind of like that Google AI. So I'll give an example. Like if you're on Facebook and you're trying to like research something, or even like this toy. So if you're trying to research this like stuffed animal, and then you being like, wow, where did this person get it? So you, if you just hold like the middle button, it'll and then you select what you wanna look at, it'll tell you like more about it. And I just think that feature is really nice, to be able to just like understand things or like learn more about something. The other one is like when you're just scrolling on Facebook and you see people, so you could do the same thing not just with like objects but also people. It does a really good job. So if you see someone like on your social media and you're like, who is that, like popular person, you could just, you know, take a little Google magic, and then it's just holding the middle button, and you could just learn more about that person. And so yeah, anyways, yeah, so I just want to share like really quick on what I think are like the four best features, or the four main features that I realize that I tend to use a lot since I moved to this phone that seems to be out of like my ordinary. So that's pretty much it. So if you found any of this helpful, please let me know down in the comments like what features that you guys like to use on the S25 Ultra. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time, and peace.